Are you done with handing your control, your happiness, your finances, your free time over to other people? Our world is changing. I want to give you a solution to what I think most people would love to know, and that's, how do I change my life? How do I get in a position where I feel secure, where I'm loving life, where I'm not worried about money all the time? Most of all, I'm not stressing out about my quality of life. I'm Landria Onkka, a best-selling, award-winning author. I also have a television movie. That was possible because 6 years ago, I made a decision to quit a 25-year investment banking career to go after my dreams. Quality of life was first. I didn't want to have those heart palpitations, waking up at 3 a.m. with the sweats, wondering where my next client was going to come from, chasing money and thinking, where does this end? Because let's face it, every 10 years, at least here in the United States, we experience economic downturns and we lose our portfolios, our homes, our income. And we're going into something even more powerful, but this change is good. You see, I found out how to create online businesses, and I quit my 25 years as an investment banker, and I never looked back. I'm going to give you that solution today. A free workshop series that you can click on somewhere here or down below and get that information yourself and start to make your own decisions as to whether or not this is going to work for you, because it's time for us to step outside of that matrix. It's not working, it's collapsing, and we're realizing we're putting our power in the hands of other people, companies that tell us when we should work, how much we're going to earn, and then if we even have a job. Are you tired of living that life in maybe a career that you don't even love? That has been encouraged. Chasing money has been encouraged. 85% of the people out there despise their jobs. I'm sure it's much higher now. I got an online education. I did it when it wasn't popular, and I used technology, and I knew nothing about technology, nor did I have products or services, but I knew if I got the skills and the knowledge, I could change my life, take control, and I did that. It takes your dedication, your commitment to make a change, but you won't be alone. This education system isn't just about chasing money. It's about an entire lifestyle change. In fact, you'll start with creating your own goals and that life that you imagine, and you'll work with consultants that'll show you how to achieve that. If you have an existing business, if you have ideas for a business, or if you have no products or services, you can do this. Step-by-step modules, training that is live and also recorded that you can go back to. Mentors, trainers, an amazing community. We even have meditation classes and mindset classes, because this system knows that we all need that support. And if you're not a naturally born entrepreneur, you can learn how to be one. It doesn't matter what your education level, it doesn't matter what your situation is now. This is an education system that creates a business for you within a short period of time if you're willing to dedicate yourself to that change. We'll be there for you. There's thousands of people doing this right now. I was one of them. Again, 6 years ago when it wasn't popular, I knew as an investment banker the power of technology. I got the training. Empower yourself. Knowledge. Once you learn this, you'll have it for the rest of your life. And there are so many ways you can use it to earn money, doing what you love, and the best part, bringing value to the world. Yes, life is going to bring challenges no matter what. We're on planet Earth. It's time for us to take control. I think we're seeing the change that's going on out there to push us to make positive decisions. Come on over to an amazing platform, an amazing community, and an actual life change. We show you step by step how to create that life that rewards you financially, doing what you love, creating purpose and value on this planet. You ready to join me? Click somewhere here on the screen or below. That's a free workshop series and videos, and also a bonus webinar that talks about how you can start earning and what does that entail. Come on over, check it out. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, you unsubscribe. It's time for us to move past fear and allowing that out there to control us. Thanks for listening. I send you blessings, stay safe, and go after those dreams.